Wide body kit, anime wrap, 4 Giottos. I have started the process of ruining my Toyota 86 right here in Tokyo, Japan. And by the end of today's video, you guys are gonna know exactly how to do it to your car as well. Let's get into it. So it's been 2 months since I made my last video on here, and honestly, there's a good reason for it. I finally got my Japanese license after 6 months of going through the process, trying to get in line to even get signed up for it. It's terrible right now. There's a loophole where people from China are able to come here and live temporarily in like an Airbnb. Because they can't get an international license, the only way they can do that is if they come here, get a Japanese license, even though they're not living here, and it just clogged up the entire system. I don't blame them. If I was living in their country, and probably would do the loophole as well, so it just sucks for people that are living here right now. As soon as I got my license, found the car on Car Sensor. That's like the website where all the cars are listed here in Japan. I went to like 5 different dealerships, ended up finding the one I liked in Gunma, so very initial D. Then I got a parking spot, another nightmare situation, just like renting an apartment here in Japan. They don't like renting to foreigners because of some situations that have happened in the past, but it's just the worst day of the year. 99% of my time here in Japan is beautiful, wonderful, love it. But one day of the year, when I have to go to a rental agency, whether it's renting an apartment or in this case getting a parking spot, just walk in and 70% of the people that have properties listed, whether it's parking spots or apartments here in Japan, they're not gonna wanna rent to me. Even though I'm married to a Japanese person, it sucks, but like so many people have way worse situations. What am I to complain about like one day out of the year? I got a parking spot, got the car back from Gunma. Day after I got the car, full interior refresh, black to silver. The previous owner had wrapped a bunch of pieces inside carbon fiber. Nah, we're not doing that. So much better. It's not a fucking McLaren, it's a GT86. Just keep it factory fresh. Make it look clean, make it look nice. That's just my opinion. Do whatever the hell you want to do with your own car. Then I installed the best shift knob ever, which is the Tomei Duracon shift knob. God, I love that thing. It just feels good. What is going on? Then we swapped the steering wheel with a Nardi steering wheel. There was like a goofy Momo steering wheel on there before. Thank God it wasn't the one that says drifting on it. God, that has got to be the worst steering wheel ever. I upgraded to a leather e-brake cover. Oh, it looks so much better, because the fake leather one was all worn out. The person before me had put some kind of like a pedal kit on it. That's got to get out of here. Put the OEM pedals back on. One of the days I've been waiting for a long time was going to Super Autobacks and drop-in vans, and just, God, I was so excited for that day. I know I could probably get a lot more stuff on Amazon or online cheaper, but I just wanted to go to like the coolest store in Tokyo for car parts and just like enjoy myself. They got a Starbucks if you want to bring your girl. They got a bookstore. It's just such a cool store right in Tokyo Bay. So I picked up a new head unit and a backup camera because I am not confident at all about parking in this damn city. Yeah, I think it's just that it takes mini disc only. I don't think there's any Bluetooth. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I picked up a raised bucket that's probably overpriced, but
how much is that?
Had to get it. It's like 40 bucks.
Damn.
And then we got a full ceramic coating done because this is a black car. It's being kept outside for the time being. And you know, we gotta keep it fresh. Then I drove out to Umi Hotaru for the first time with a couple of friends. Think of Daikoku parking, but in the middle of the ocean and way cooler, way more chill. Yeah, I mean, it just depends. Who knows? Some days in Daikoku, you're gonna go there and it's like the best cars ever. Sometimes it's kind of goofy. Speaking of Daikoku, I took my mom to Daikoku. She came to visit for like 2 weeks. We went down to a little island south of Tokyo called Yokoshima. Then my boy Marcus visited me. If you guys know Borkus on Instagram, he's got a really cool Futago line drift GT86. We've known each other for like, I guess a couple years now, just online friends. And it was cool to finally get to meet him. We got some good ass ramen. And then I bought a drill from Japanese Home Depot. There's many purposes for this drill. One was to install my backup camera. And another one is to, where is that? Where is it? Yeah. We got this Cusco bar from my boy Marco, and we got the back one too as well. I just want to polish it, man, because it looks all oxidized. So that'll be in like another video. It's not quite done yet, but I'm probably gonna paint this a different color. And while we're over here, yeah, that's right, got the Rays 57 DRs. This color has got to go. We are gonna be running someone to paint those pretty quickly. More parts. This place is a mess. This is a 4.5 final drive for the diff. I'm going to be building a new two-way diff here, probably in like a month or two. And then, of course, got the TRD cell phone. And then I installed a very, very important piece to this vehicle. I think it's probably, you know, the number one part I'd recommend for this car. It just changes the entire vehicle. It's called a TRD sound tube, and it doesn't do shit. It's supposed to, I guess, have some more airflow on the inside of the car. If you install it right here on the sound tube, you know, a lot of people remove that sound tube anyways, but if you keep the sound tube, you can put this real TRD piece on there. I think you can actually just take the foam out of the OEM one, and it does a very similar effect, so you probably don't even need to buy the TRD piece, but I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna make my car more TRD. So yeah, things are moving fast now. I cannot wait to get this bitch on some good wheels because, as you can see, needs a little help. There's a little bit of fender gap in there. We need to get some fresh 18s on there. I think I'm gonna go down to Osaka and pick up some coilovers from Thrash Racing. We'll see how that goes. I love going down to Osaka and visiting those guys. Super chill. I'm gonna get this bitch looking good. Wheels painted, coilovers lowered, and yeah, I'm excited. We got that UV protectant for the interior because, you know, out in Japan we're out parking outside because fucking parking's expensive as shit if you want to be in a garage in Tokyo. Next up, just, you know, this is definitely unnecessary. It's a fucking raised bucket that's probably overpriced, but
how much is that?
Had to get it. It's like $40.
Damn.
I mean, but it's like it's on the logo.
Ball in.
You know, general cleaning stuff. Harness for this, which is the new screen.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
It's just a regular Cardo's area. Yeah, I think it's just it takes mini disc only. I don't think there's any Bluetooth. Yeah.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Old school, dude.
That's it.
Alright, that's it?
Yeah, that's all we got.
You've been shopping for like 3 hours, that's all you got?
Dude, I take so long to make decisions, it's not even funny.
Dude, that's JDM as shit. That'll resell for a lot.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna get basically the whole inventory of Tone tools. I've already got the guy getting it from the back.
Really, actually?
Yeah. Oh, actually, the whole thing.
The whole thing? Damn. But you should actually get those if you're gonna do your head unit install. You probably need like some of these.
Dude, I already just used my hands.
You just use your hands?
There's little scratches, but whatever. I do want one. I do want one. Which one should I get? Find out for me.
I think you need like a fine one like this.
That one?
Yeah, like just to like pry off like pieces.
Is there a thinner one? Is this thinner? How do you know if it's thinner?
I guess like, I mean, just look at it.
Yeah,
you just look at it.
I guess like you can just like, all my tools are in Texas, so I need to buy new tools.
But do you have like sockets and stuff? Like probably. You know what?
I got sockets. I got Harbor Freight, the rainbow ones.
Yeah.
I made sure to bring them to Japan.
Okay. I was gonna say Astro Tools is like the JDM Harbor Freight out here.
And this is like the JDM Craftsman or the JDM Snap-on, right?
Yeah. This is the good shit.
I want.
Oh no, this is
bro, for no
maybe
reason.
This is Husky.
No way, dude. This is expensive as shit. You said this is Husky?
What's better
than this though? Do they have some shit that's better? I haven't seen anything more expensive than this shit. If there's anything more expensive than this, that's ridiculous.
Well, the Snap-on is just here.
Is there Snap-on here?
Yeah, it's just straight up. You got
where's the other shit? Oh, it is Tone. Never mind.
But the good thing about this is if you go to Auto Salon, every year during Auto Salon, pretty much everything is half off. You know they make so much money like just that weekend.
Yeah.
Because like people wait all year because they want these tools, but they're too expensive. Need this, bro. Need this.
Fuck no, we don't look at that. If it's not on wires, you're straight, bro.
You got a car? Or?
He has a.
What you got?
He has an S2000.
86 and S2000. Like the older 86.
A86, yeah.
Here in Japan?
No. Okay. Not yet.
Well,
soon
where's it
we'll
at?
have something. It's in the U.S.
Where are you from the U.S.?
Originally from Portland.
Okay.
West Coast.
Nice. Fuck yeah.
Do you know
where I'm from? Yes.
Florida.
China.
Florida.
It could be from Florida. I mean, we kind of
yeah.
The amount of people I've met that are Florida.
Oh fuck, we do have the same last name.
We have the same last name.
Florida people are weird.
I know.
Yeah,
Florida's
right.
the whole place is just.
Yeah, Florida people suck.
Florida's not the place.
They're freaks. He's from Florida.
Don't look at me like that.
Okay. Here's some more.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you get a set like, but they're so expensive.
Bro, like, it's all about that. You don't want to be caught dead with this when you got this. True. I need some new gloves. Mine are worn out.
Did I get a helmet
For Final Bout? For ride-alongs?
An Arai helmet.
Do you have a new one, or did you just get it from?
I bought the cheapest one from a motorcycle shop I could find here, just like an open face for the summer. I think one day I'll buy like one of these Arai helmets, but
yeah,
no.
Yeah, this is the one I kind of have my eyes on.
Don't require
Too much, yeah. Some of them do require the full face, but just the local ones around Tokyo, I think it's fine just the open face. You can't do the Bosozoku one though at a lot of tracks, unfortunately. What do you think, the Tsuchiya gloves or these FET Fett gloves.
Which one are the Suchi gloves?
You know the green ones? They're downstairs actually. They're not even here, unfortunately.
The hell? Why would they have
Does it
them?
have like the octopus thing, right?
I think the design was updated.
Dude, this all the Japanese drifters love this shit.
It looks like
It's a screwdriver handle. Yeah, that's what it is.
I just have the
Oh, dude, this shit.
That's actually sick.
I had this in my 240.
I like this.
Yeah.
I like this a lot. Yeah. Should I just put this on my stock seats?
I think it would look
The
cool.
black one. I think it would look cool, but it's.
But
really
yeah, you would get
kinda
the
cringe.
black one. Though.
Unless I'm speaking Japanese and calling them burrito, I'm gonna call them bride forever.
Yeah, rides forever.
Okay.
Oh, TRD radiator cap, JDM.
That's it. I want these. I want 2 of these. Unfortunately, they're expensive as shit.
Oh, dude.
These are like you spend them like a Porsche, right?
Yeah.
I want
Or like
2
an
of these.
old school, like A86.
I would put these in mine.
Yeah.
But the only thing, never mind. Fucking white, dude. Imagine just sitting on the concrete and coming to sit on these. You want like some sort of like
Protect it, like maybe like a little thing on it.
something.
Sweaty
a little,
too. If it's sweaty.
Yeah, sweaty. Probably. The sad thing for me is within the last like 2 years since I came here, all the GT86 stuff is gone and it's all GR86 stuff now. So when I finally get my GT86, it's all GR86 stuff. I mean, a lot of it's backwards compatible.
To an extent, yeah. You know what should be good?
I want these so bad, bro. TRD sit-ups. Fucking so good.
Damn, that's a lot. I mean, these are probably the ones that expire and you have to replace every once in a while, yeah?
Well, the thing is, you just never replace them and it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, it's not like they change. Oh, this is sick. The pink stitching.
Yeah, good luck fitting that, buddy.
Yeah.
I know I can't.
I'm like 20 kilos away from fitting in that.
I can't fit in any great seats. Momiji Manju? Dude, look at this Satsumamo.
Oh my god.
That's so cool.
Dude, this guy on Facebook came up with these, and then like everybody,
them?
yeah, immediately,
I remember that.
yeah,
I remember that.
immediately everybody ripped them off.
I fucking remember that.
Defi gauges, they're so fucking expensive,
Dude,
but they're
that's
so.
like so GM, bro.
I love.
Just kidding.
Is this a FRS FA20
Yeah.
or a
Sold
WRX FR2?
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's FRS. Because the WRX didn't have this red top, from what I believe. This is a FRS.
I had an
17
FA22
plus.
in the WRX,
FA22.
or an FA20 as well.
How reliable are these?
Piece of shit.
Just depends. It could be really unreliable.
I think
That's
like
the one thing. It's the only reason that
Could be reliable.
pushes me
Could be
over.
really I mean, if you change the oil literally before and after every event, like I know people who have like 180,000 miles in the I mean, everything. Look, this is all these. This is an HKS. Like everything is. None of this is like factory.
Yeah. Think about how annoying it is to change your spark plugs. On the WRX, your frame rail is right here.
Yeah. Once you get to like 70k miles, you have to change the spark plugs. And there's some like weird ways you can do it, but a lot of people you literally have to lift the engine up.
Yeah, like you
You
like
have to
put
take it
a
somewhere and lift it up, or you do it yourself, I guess.
yeah. I had to unbolt the motor mounts and
Yeah,
then put
yeah,
a jack under it and
yeah.
then push it up. What the fuck? It's a car meet out here. What the hell?
Thank you for showing interest in that little life update. Just keep your head up, make checklists, check off those goals, get to where you want to be. Let the bullshit of everyday life and people who are trying to get you down fuel you with so much anger. Use that anger, use that hate. Just like Anakin. But no, really, use it to funnel yourself and grow as a person. Remember, always wake up every day trying to figure out how can you have a positive impact on your world, the people around you. There's my little advice. Hopefully it'll work for me too. That's some good ass watermelon.